I'm a Yoruba. I come from the cradle of Yoruba land. I'm from Ile-Ife. It's a cradle of Yoruba land. But I like Hausa past Yoruba say.
So in my last video, I was out on the street to ask Yoruba people what they really like and admire about their Igbo brothers and sisters. But today I'm also out on the street to ask Yoruba people what they really like and admire about their Hausa brothers and sisters. So please follow me, let's go.
Genius Radio.
You're Yoruba?
Yes, I'm Yoruba.
Okay, what do you like? What do Yoruba people like about Hausa people?
For my whole side, they are nice sometimes when during they are selling and buying. When if I want to buy something from them, the way they attend to me, so they are really nice in that way.
What do you like about Hausa people?
I love them because of their language and their religion. I love their religion. I know there are some Christian Hausas, but mostly I love Muslim. I'm also a Christian, but I love Muslim Hausa and I love how they behave. Even I live with them, so I love them.
You like their language?
Exactly. Even I understand the language.
Wow.
I love them.
How do you understand the language?
I live with them. I live in Agege. I live with Hausa people. Most of my friends are Hausas. And where I learn my work, my master is Hausa. I learn in 3 places and my 3 masters are Hausas. So I love them.
Can you speak small for us?
Yes, now. As in
Yakaswa.
Yafialo. Lakwana, I understand the Lakwana now. I understand it very well.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm a Yoruba.
Okay, what do you like about Hausa people generally?
Yeah, actually, I love their character. The way they behave with other language, like Yorubas. I don't interact with them most of the time. And I've lived with Hausa before. You understand? So, the way they interact with us as landlords and tenants. So, yeah.
What I love about Hausa people is that they are so united. There's no separation. You know, it doesn't matter the level of their education. They don't say that this one is educated, this one is illiterate. They do things in common. You will find out that we see Hausa eating together with the illiterate type, so they will not segregate. So there's unity. There's one. They work in one love. So that is one thing I love about Hausa people.
I like the Hausa people because they give me job to do. So they carry me go for our Hausa land. Zaria, Sokoto, Kaduna also. And I am so building contractor. So from there, they hold me like their own citizen. So that is why I'm liking them.
So they are nice people, Abi?
Yeah, they be nice people. Yes.
So they don't look say you are not from their tribe?
No, at all. They carry me like their own.
About Hausa, the difference between Hausa and Igbo. I like Hausa past Igbo. Because in anything in this life, let's say you offend Hausa people now, they just forgive you. But let's say Igbo, he can never forgive you like that. But Hausa people, I deal with Hausa with many people like that. I work with them, but I like Hausa people past Igbo. I like Hausa past Yoruba. I'm a Yoruba. I come from the cradle of Yoruba land. I'm from Ile-Ife. It's a cradle of Yoruba land. But I like Hausa past Yoruba say. Because let's say if Yoruba, maybe your brother, he bring you come this Lagos state, like for example, like you to grow up. But Hausa is not like that. I would like they are safe. If Hausa eat food for you now, if you see in people, they eat together. But our Yoruba, our Igbo, you different. Say maybe get money past this one. I like Hausa.
Are you Yoruba?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, can you tell us what you like about Hausa people?
I like their yogurt. Their yogurt is very, very unique.
Which one?
No. There's one they call there's one they call Usbo yogurt.
Okay.
Yeah. When I went to North, I bought it and it's very, very unique. And I brought it to Lagos and people like it very well.
Yeah. Any other thing?
I like they are very friendly. They are very friendly. They are always ready to help, to assist. If you need help from them, they always like to render help.
What I like about them is that they are very straightforward. If they say this is what they want to do, they will do it. If you buy something from them and you price it, and they tell you, gas care, that is it. They are not going to increase or reduce it. So if you want to buy, you buy. If you don't want to buy, you go. But they accommodate. When I was in Maiduguri, we don't have problem. They accommodate us. And the only thing in Maiduguri, they don't speak Hausa. They speak Beri, which we are going to learn it. So also Hausa will learn it.
Hausa people on a good day, they are very sincere. When you are dealing with them, when they like you, they will tell you everything about them. In another side, they are bad, but when the sincerity is with them. When you get closer to them very well, you will know what I'm talking about. I don't say in North, but in this Lagos, and people used to say it, and I'm seeing it in them, because I've moved with some of them in our area here. So they are very sincere in what they are doing.
What I love about the Hausas is that they love accommodating people, their level of hospitality. That really makes me to like them more. So that's it. And their food, because I love eating their fura dununu, and then I love eating their tuwo.
Hausa is a very nice human being, because when you hear Hausa, you just speak Hausa with. We hear Hausa, you hear say you speak Hausa like this. You want to buy markets, they will say it for you. Have you dash yourself? But you go and meet Yoruba people, I won't lie for you. They will not pity you. But when Hausa hear say you speak Hausa like this, anything you want to buy, maybe they are selling, like, let's say the market is 1,000 naira. Hausa can sell the market for you 400 or 500.
All those lepers, they eat with their lepers. They eat with any mekutu something. They eat with them. So I stay with them when I can say 10 years age. I stay with them at Kaduna. But I recognize that these people, they have one mind. Hausa have one mind. It's only we people that train them. Hausa doesn't do anything. When you give them money, you say this is 1,000, they accept it. Even without counting it, they accept it. But we Yoruba, we teach them. They even know it past more than us now. That's what I can say about the Hausa. They don't discriminate.
So from the interview I conducted, Yoruba people sure has good things to say about Hausa people. They said they are united, they work together, they help each other, and they are sincere people. All right, now let's know what you think about Hausa people. Don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below, and don't stop watching Street Opinions on Genius Radio TV. And it's your forever favorite girl, Abigail Daniel.